para no deshacernos de él. Para no deshacernos de él.
El original que traía.
Ok.
Creo, no estoy seguro, te digo, yo nada más puse los que compramos con el otro lo puse en la mesa, más los
So we got an ice maker. There you can see that RF28H Fed Bravo Sam Romeo, and the serial number is 0 Alpha Lima Yankee 4 Bravo Bravo Kilo Alpha. We're looking for the 8th and 9th digit in the serial number that gives us the production date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 being the letter K. The 9th digit or letter is A as in alpha, so it's Kilo Alpha. So Samsung put in a new bulletin for this model. We're looking at is this one here, and we have Kilo Alpha. Kilo Alpha. Production range 12/2015 to 12/2018. So here it is, Kilo Charlie. So it falls right in between, so we're gonna have to order this ice maker service kit. This is a new part number, Delta Alpha 82-02704 Alpha, and then we'll come back and put it on. They've improved the drain assembly, I believe. So once we get that part, we'll come back and put it on, and I think we have to upgrade the main board too. Sounds good.